everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some Halloween sugar cookie bars. And what you'll need is some powdered sugar, some white sugar, some flour, some vegetable oil, some baking soda, some cream of tartar, some food coloring, and then some Halloween sprinkles, and then some vanilla extract, and 12 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we will also need an electrical mixer. Alright, let's move on to the next step. And for this recipe, we will also need an egg. And then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then with this step, we need to mix the white sugar, the powdered sugar, and the 12 tablespoons of the softened butter in a bowl. Alright, and then we need 3/4 cup of white sugar. And with measuring stuff out, you want to pour some into a measuring cup and level it out, and then adjust it until it's at the measurement that you need it to be at. Alright, and then there's 3/4 cup. Alright, and then we need 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Right, and then there's 3/4 cup. Right, and then we are going to take the electrical mixer and mix that together for 2 to 3 minutes. And once that's just mixed together, it should look something like that. Alright, and then we need to add in the vegetable oil. And then we need 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. And there's 6. Alright, and then we need to add the 1 egg. And then we need to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. to mix that. Once that is mixed together, it should look something like this. Alright, then we need to add in the flour, and then we need 3 cups of flour. Alright, and then there's 2 cups right there. Alright, then I need to add 1 more cup. And there's a cup right there. And then we need to add the cream of tartar. And then we need 3/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And there's 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, then we need to add the baking soda, and then we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of this baking soda. And then we need to mix all that together. And with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as good as you can get it. Alright, and once those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. If you want to, you can add sprinkles to the dough before you put it into the oven. Then we need to split this dough into 2 equal parts. And try to get it to where they both have about the same amount of dough. Alright. And once they have about the same amount of dough, we are going to add new food coloring, which is right here. And then you can choose between the colors. There's blue, not blue. Orange, purple, or wait. Okay, I need to restart. Alright, and then we are going to split the dough into 2 equal parts. And try and get it to where both have the same amount of, well actually about the same amount of dough. Okay, once they have about the same amount of dough, we are going to color them with the food coloring, and you can choose between a purple, green, or orange. And I recommend doing one color for one little section and then a different color for the other part. Alright, then I'm going to be doing purple for one. And then I'm going to be doing green for the other one. And then you can make them any shade that you want them to be. And then we are going to mix that together. Alright, and then for this part, we will need a baking dish. And then both parts of the dough that we colored. And then we are going to spray the baking dish with the cooking spray. Alright, and then we are going to take one part, and then we are going to level it out into the pan. So we're gonna put this over here, get the pictures into it. Then we are going to level this out. And try and get it to where it's as even all over the pan as you can get it. Alright, and then we are going to do the same for the other one. Alright, and then once the layers are on, it should look something like this. And then we are going to bake it in the oven. We are going to bake it in the oven for about 18 to 21 minutes. Then you can add any type of frosting that you want. And then you can even add the sprinkles to the frosting if you want to. And then once the cookie bars are all done, it should look something like this.